right, so today, January 15th, 2021, today is V-Day for the City of Revere. This is the first day we're giving vaccinations, the Moderna vaccine against COVID-19 for all of our first responders. And in fact, we've also partnered with the Chelsea and Winthrop Boards of Health, and we're vaccinating their first responders as well. So EMS, police, and fire. For me, this is such a long time coming. I can't tell you how proud I am to be part of this. And I can't tell you how proud I am of all the women and men who helped put this together and all the volunteers we have who are helping to vaccinate these essential workers. I think this marks the beginning of the end for all of us. Even though cases are going up right now, I can see clearly the light at the end of the tunnel, and I couldn't be more proud and happy at everything that has brought us to this time and this space. I'm just overjoyed and ecstatic, and I can't wait to give more vaccines to many more people who need it in the next coming months.